guys, friends, how are you there? I hope you're all doing fine. Wait. So many riders guys on my side. Today we're going to El Salvador. El Salvador? Alubihit.
Magindingan.
We're going to Lagindingan for seafood craving.
Wow.
And guys, guess what? The sponsor of this seafood craving is my one and only Princess Dama. Can you show it? Can you show her? She's from Iligan City. Right now we are at Opol City.
Go.
Another group of mga pasaway rider.
Nawala to eh. Kala ko ni Bobby. Tala. Nagagin sa Sunday man drone.
Shooter din siya. Right now we are here at what's this? El Salvador now? This is El Salvador. Mologan, El Salvador. Happy Sunday. Today is 1st of February. February 1st. Happy Sunday guys. Let's have another travel. Going to Lagindingan Seafoods Market. So many riders.
Nagag ko kailan mga.
We are now passing guys to my former company. This is my former company guys. Former company. You see the equipment there.
Go.
Show the tower frame. We are now at what is this place? Salvador City. Salvador City. We're almost at the biggest McDonald's. The biggest McDonald's place. Right here at El Salvador City. Happy Sunday guys, happy Sunday travel.
Go.
This is the biggest McDonald's place in Mindanao. Right here at El Salvador City. Our next stop is the Lagindingan.